Hey friends, Julie here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am taking part in the DIY Mommies DIY and Decor Challenge, and this one is the Spring 2020 edition. So in this video, I am going to be sharing with you a few Easter DIYs, and I'm going to show you how I use them to decorate for Easter. So if that's something that interests you, keep watching. Now, I will have a link down in my description box with a very big playlist. Usually there is a really good turnout. So there's lots of other ladies who participate with lots of inspiration and really great ideas. So I highly encourage you to check out that link down below. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Julie, and here on my channel, I do DIYs, home decor, and organizing, and I do it all on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the red subscribe button as well as the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get to crafting. So I am going to be using this Walmart tray as the base for my table setting for my coffee table. And the first DIY is just going to be one of the little wooden bead garlands. And I picked up these wooden beads at Walmart, and I'm just going to be using some twine to string them together. Now at the very tip of my piece of twine, I put a little bit of hot glue just to make it more of a needle. And I am just going to thread these on as if I was making jewelry, very simple. And I love these beads. I made a carrot themed one like this and painted them orange. It was really fun. So that you can be really creative with these beads and do different colors. Now once I have it the length that I want, I'm going to make the tassel ends. To do this, you just wrap the twine or ribbon or whatever you want to use for your tassels around your fingers to the thickness that you want. Now the tassel twine is actually quite a bit thicker than the twine I used to thread the beads together. And then once I have the thickness I want, I'm going to just take a piece and I'm going to tie it around the top part of the loop. Now because this is kind of thick, I didn't really feel like the little tie was going to stay put, so I used a little bit of hot glue just to secure it. And then trimmed off the ends. And then I just take the end of the bead of garland and I'm going to put it through the small loop at the top and again tie it. And to secure it, I did add a little bit of hot glue again just to really make sure that it's not going to come apart. If you would like to see how I made the carrot themed garland one that I made, I will link that here on the screen and also down in my description box. And then the last step is just to cut the bottom loop so that the edges are all fringed, and then also you cut it again just to make all the ends even. And then I'm going to repeat this on the other side. Now here it is all finished, and I really wanted it to just be neutral, plain colors. So for the next DIY, I'm just going to take a couple of the Dollar Tree pots as well as some of this lace ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wrap it around the top rim and secure it with a little bit of hot glue. here are the finished pots. Now, my camera ended up getting full, and I didn't know that it stopped recording. So you missed the part where I put some floral foam in the pots, as well as the lavender that I stuck in there, which was from the Walmart. It was just the Walmart lavender that's like 97 cents a bunch. And to cover up the floral foam, I'm just going to glue in some of the Dollar Tree moss. Now for my display, I'm going to use this Pier 1 burlap table runner. It is too long for my coffee table because it's made for a dining room table. So I'm just going to fold it under in the center so that it fits. And then I'm going to take the metal tray and I'm going to place it over that so you can really barely even see that it's folded. And I'm going to take this green and white buffalo check. This is just a kitchen towel that I believe I picked up from Target last year. I love this color of the green. I think it looks so pretty with purple. And this tic-tac-toe game board I picked up at AC Moore for $10. And I'm just going to put this candle stand as well as a white candle on my tray and then wrap it with my beaded garland. I love the idea of having the tic-tac-toe board. You can put any kind of game that you can find, or you can make something DIY. And then I'm going to place my lavender pots on the tray as well. Now this faces the entryway, so when people walk in, I wanted to kind of face that way. And looking at the way the lavender stuck out, I felt like it looked better in the back of the display, so I did switch it up here. And ultimately, I ended up actually removing the burlap underneath it. That's part of decorating, is sometimes you do something and then you live with it for a little while and you decide to change it. So I ended up removing the burlap underneath the tray. And here is the finished display. What do you guys think? These were two very simple DIYs, and I love how this tray turned out and how simple it was. If you want more spring decor inspiration, check out these other videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.